Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily turn off mentions in YouTube using your iPhone or Android device. YouTube mentions can be useful when creators want to tag channels or include others in conversations, but they are not always welcome. By default, anyone on YouTube may be able to mention your channel in video titles, descriptions, posts, or even comments, which can sometimes lead to unwanted notifications, spam interactions, or people using your channel name without your preference. So, if you value your privacy and want more control over how your channel appears across the platform, turning off mentions is a smart setting to review. That said, let's get started. So first you have to launch the YouTube app on your device, and then you have to tap on the profile tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, you have to tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the privacy option in the menu. And finally, you have to disable the toggle located right next to allow users to mention me, and that's pretty much it. Disabling mentions in YouTube is one of the easiest ways to gain better control over your account privacy and notifications. If you no longer want random users or creators tagging your channel in titles, posts, or comments, adjusting this setting can make your YouTube experience cleaner and less distracting. It is especially helpful for users who receive unnecessary mentions or simply prefer to keep their channel interactions more private. So whether you use an iOS or Android device, the steps are nearly identical and can be completed in moments through the YouTube app settings. Once disabled, you can enjoy browsing, uploading, and interacting on YouTube without worrying about unwanted mentions appearing across the platform. If you ever happen to change your mind later, you can always return to the same settings page and turn mentions back on.